Morning, dear students. Today we are study about molecular mass and calculation of molecular mass of a compound. The molecular mass of a substance, that is element or compound, is the average relative mass of a single molecule of the given substance as a compared to 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon 12. Thus, molecular mass is equal to actual mass of one molecule of the substance upon 1/12 into mass of an atom of carbon 12. That is, molecular mass of a substance can be obtained by summing up the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of it. This means कि मालिकुलर मास जो है किसी भी सब्सटेंस का, ये जितने भी आइटम्स हैं उनके मासेस को अगर हम सम अप कर लें, जोड़ लें, तो वही उसका मालिकुलर मास होता है। जैसे हम अगर वाटर का H2O का मालिकुलर मास निकालना चाहें तो दिस इज़ द H2O। हेयर द 2 एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, 2 into atomic mass of 2 atom of hydrogen, that is 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen. अब here 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so 2 into 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen, 1 oxygen is 16, so 2 plus 16, that is 18 unit. So molecular mass of water is 18 unit. We take second example as molecular mass of sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. This is also 2 into atomic mass of Na plus atomic mass of 1 sulfur plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 2 into atomic mass of sodium, that is 23. Here the symbol of sodium is Na. So 2 into 23 plus atomic mass of sulfur, that is 32, plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16, 4 into 16. This is equal to 23 2 ja 46 plus 32 plus 16 4 ja 64. The total, this is the 142 unit. So this is the atomic molecular mass of Na2SO4 is equal to 142 unit. Take another example. This is a molecular mass of H2SO4, that is the sulfuric acid. This is equal to, here 2 atom of hydrogen, so 2 into H plus, here is a 1 sulfur, so 1 into sulfur, yes, plus 4 oxygen, that is 4 into oxygen, 4 into oxygen. This is equal to 2 into 1 plus 32 or plus 4 into 16, that is 64. This is total 2 plus 32 plus 64 is equal to 98 unit. So molecular mass of H2SO4 is equal to 98 unit. Now we take another example. Molecular mass of Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. This is equal to 2 atom of nitrogen, 2 atom of sodium, that is 2 into Na plus 1 atom of carbon, so 1 into C, plus 3 atoms of oxygen, 3 into O. This is equal to 2 into mass of Na is 23, 2 into 23 plus 1 into mass of carbon is 12, plus 3 into mass of oxygen is 16. This is equal to 46 plus 12 plus 48. This is equal to 106 units. Now take another example. Molecular mass of NaOH, this is sodium hydroxide. This is molecular mass of, so NaOH is equal to 1 into Na. Here is the Na have 1 atom plus 1 into oxygen plus 1 into hydrogen. So 1 into 23 plus 1 into 16 plus 1 into 1. This is equal to 23 plus 16 plus 1. This is equal to 40 unit. So molecular mass of NaOH is equal to 40 unit. Now molecular mass of HNO3, that is nitric acid. This is equal to 1 atom of hydrogen, so 1 into H, plus 1 atom of nitrogen, so 1 into N, plus 3 atom of oxygen, so 3 into O. This is equal to 1 into 1 atom of hydrogen, that is 1, plus 1 atom of nitrogen, 1 into 14, plus 3 atom of oxygen, 3 into 16. 1 atom of oxygen is 16. So 1 plus 14 plus 48, this is equal to 63 unit. Now, molecular mass of Na2CO3 10H2O. Here the 10H2O is the 10 molecules of water crystal is added here, sodium carbonate. This is equal to here 2 atoms of sodium, the 2 into Na, plus 1 atom of carbon, so 1 into C, plus 3 atom of oxygen, so 3 into O, plus 10 atoms of H2O, means 10 into 2 atom of hydrogen, the 2 into H, plus 1 atom of oxygen, the 1 into O. This is equal to 2 into Na, atomic mass of Na is 23, 2 into 23, plus atomic mass of carbon is 12, so 1 into 12, plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so 3 into 16, plus 10 into 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, plus 1 into oxygen, that is oxygen atomic mass is 16, so 1 into 16. This is equal to 46, plus 1 into 12, that is 12, plus 3 into 16, that is 48, plus 10 into 2 plus 16, that is 18. 10 into 18. This is equal to 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 10 into 18. This is 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 118. 18 10 ja 180. The total, this is equal to 6 plus 2 8. 8 is 16. 6 carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 4. 9 and 4. For 13, that is plus 1. 14 plus 4 18. 8 carry 1. This is 1 plus 1, that is 286 units. So molecular mass of Na2CO3 10H2O, this is equal to 286 unit. Dear students, how can we calculate the molecular mass of some compounds? Next video we again study about molar mass and mole concepts.